Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting based on another cell in Google Sheets. So let's get straight into it. Now highlight the cell you want to change color. So for example, let's say this one here. Okay, now what we need to do is head over to the format at the top toolbar, click on it and then conditional formatting, just like that. In the sidebar under format cell, so like that, format cell if, select the last option custom formula is, and now we can enter our formula. So use the $sign. So this one to log the column you are checking. Example, so what you are going to do here is use something like that. It's equal dollar. Then we have F6 equal, sorry, yeah, it's equal like that, and then over root, overdue, close like that. And choose your formatting style so you can fill with different colors. So let's go with that one. And then we have here bold option, underline, and so on, and click done. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can do that. Now you can also here press, basically you can highlight row if task is done, so you can just type in here done, for example, and like that. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.